Hello everyone. In this video, let's discuss how to write a program to find whether the linked list forms a cycle or not. Given head, the head of a linked list determines if the linked list has a cycle in it. There is a cycle in a linked list if there is some node in the list that can be reached again by continuously following the next pointer. Internally, POS is used to denote the index of the node that tail's next pointer is connected to. Note that POS is not passed as a parameter. Return true if there is a cycle in the linked list, otherwise return false. So here they have given a linked list. I have to find whether the given linked list forms a cycle or not. Here they have mentioned one more thing, that POS is not passed as a parameter, that they have given as a fixed value. We don't want to worry about the POS value. We have to write the correct logic of the program. So here linked list consists of 4 elements. From 3 I will be moving to the next node called 2. Then I will be going to the node called 0. Then I will be going to the node called -4. And after -4, again I am going to the node called 2. It is forming a cycle. Here we have to return true if it is forming a cycle, and we have to return false if it is not forming a cycle. Now let's discuss the logic of the program. Okay, I've taken a linked list which consists of 4 elements and which forms a cycle. See here, head contains the first node address 1000, then next node is 2000, next node is 3000, and the next node is 4000, and the next node is again 2000, so which is forming a cycle. I have taken a circular linked list. Here what I have to do is I have to take two objects. First one is slow, another one is fast. Both has to point to the first node of my linked list. So that is the first step I have to take. So slow will be pointing to the first node and fast is also going to point to the first node. So here I have to take a loop and I have to start iterating the fast pointer until it reaches null or the next node is null. For that, what is the condition I have to give? Fast not equal to null and fast dot next not equal to null. If any one of the condition becomes true, it is not forming a cycle at all. Okay. If the condition is true, what should I do? In sense, I have to move slow object by 1 step, whereas fast by 2 step. Fast equal to fast dot next, because we have to move 2 nodes. After that, I have to check one condition, that whether fast and slow are pointing to same memory location. If both are pointing to same memory location, we can say that it is forming a cycle. So I can return true. Else I can continue the iteration of the loop. When the condition becomes false while coming out of the loop, I have to return false, saying that it is not forming a cycle. Now let's check the logic. Fast not equal to null. Yes, fast is pointing to 1000, that is not equal to null. Fast dot next is 2000, that is also not equal to null. If the condition is true, what should I do? I have to move slow by 1 step. So slow has to move to next node 2000, whereas fast has to be moved 2 steps. So first is 2000 and the next step is 3000. So fast has been moved by 2 steps. Check whether fast and slow both are meeting the same memory location. No. So I have to go to the loop again. Fast not equal to null. Yes, fast is not equal to 3000. Fast dot next is 4000. That is also true. So if the condition is true, what should I do? Slow has to be moved by 1 step. Okay. Fast has to be moved by 2 steps. So from 3000 I have to go to 4000 first step. From 4000 I have to go to 2000 second step. Done. Check whether fast and slow are meeting. No, it is not meeting. So I have to go for the next iteration of the loop. Fast dot not equal to null. Yes, fast is not equal to null. Fast dot next is not equal to null. Yes, both are not equal to null. So what should I do? I have to move slow by 1 step and fast by 2 steps. So first step I will be going to 3000 and the second step I will be going to 4000. Now check the condition whether both are meeting. Yes, fast is pointing to 4000 and slow is also pointing to 4000. When both the objects are pointing to the same memory location, we can say that it forms a cycle. So I can return the value called true. That's all. Now let's try to implement this as a program. So here the logic is very simple. I have to take two objects. First one is slow, will be pointing to head. The another one is fast, that is also pointing to head. I have to take a loop with a condition saying that fast not equal to null and fast dot next not equal to null. If the condition is true, I have to move slow by 1 step, whereas fast by 2 steps. Now I have to check the condition. When fast and slow meets each other, it forms a cycle, so I can return true. Then while after coming out of the loop, I can return false, saying that it is not forming a cycle at all. That's all. Now let's run the code. As it passes the test case. Let's submit the code now. As it passes all the test cases. That's all.